Right, okay, so you all had to go with these LEDs, and we know the LEDs have actually got a positive and a negative. And you know that when you put them in the board, in you go, we have the positive to one side and the negative to the other, and then it should light up. Oops, there we go, flip. Should light up, there you go. Okay, all right. Positive, negative. Now, these things here, these are LED matrix. There's actually, well, these have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different LEDs in there. When you turn them over, you will see 10 pins. 8 LEDs, 10 pins. That is because pin 3, 4, 5, 6, and pin 8 are the same thing. But these two on the edges, power LEDs. Watch this. Now, we plug it into the board. We provide power to pin 3. Oh, and look at that. Aha! That's powered up one of the LEDs. Let's go again. Power another one up. You see? Different pins will power up different things. Alright? Yeah, and you can make them different things. Now you can, from the Arduino here, you can use the different pin outputs, output digital pins into the matrix and actually make numbers. Now what you need to know is there are two different sorts of matrix. They look exactly the same. However, that one, let's see the number there, ends up in AG, actually works different to that one, which ends up in BS. Yeah, right, have a laugh. BS. I'll say it again for you. Now, watch this. Those two BS's there, and that's one AG. They are different because their polarity is totally different. Notice on the BS one, I've got a positive into pin 3 and pin 8. This one here, the AG one, I've got a negative into pin 3, and I put a positive the other side, and it basically does the opposite thing, which is a little bit confusing. However, I'll show you what happens now. Come on. Oh, there it is. That's unplugged. Okay, go. There you go. Ah, yeah. And actually, these ones are green. Just so happens to be green. Mr. AliExpress gave us some, green and orange. Go figure that one. Yeah, there's your dot, for example, there you see. But the polarity is totally different. That's what we need to know. Okay. Now, other things interesting. Look over here. Look at that. That's the power injector. I am powering the board up with the power injector, as opposed to using these battery snaps, because you've been using those, right? With a 9-volt battery. 9 volts. Those are really dangerous for LEDs because LEDs hate 9 volts. On these power injectors, if you look really closely at that switch there, if I pointed it with my pen, and that switch there, you can see it, you can actually change it from 3 volt to 5 volts. I'm running the LEDs on 3 volts, which is actually quite safe. If we flick that to 9 volts, it actually damages them, so keep the voltage low, it keeps your LEDs happy. Thank you, goodbye.